to another episode of Cooking with Jason Simkovitz. Today I am going to make lamb chops. The day before I did pork chops. Now this time it's lamb chops because my mother and I, we love lamb, but it is so expensive, so we get it when we can afford it. And this time we got two nice lamb chops that are great size, that are perfect for cooking. So the first thing you're gonna do is get your pan nice and hot behind you on your stove. So while your pan is getting hot, you're gonna season your meat. I've already done it, but I've had some issues with my camera and the film didn't film it properly. So I'm just showing you that you put black pepper and salt and you pour it on, but you don't like literally dump it on. You just put it in your hand. So you put the salt in your hand and you sprinkle it on both sides of the meat. So now what you're gonna do is add your meat into the pan. Just like that. You throw them in and you cook them. Since these are fat pieces of meat, you're going to cook them for 6 minutes on each side, and you're going to put a timer on for each side so you know how long it's cooking for. So what you want to do now is you flip your meat, like as I've done before, and you want to season your meat. So I've added some thyme and some parsley to this, and now you're going to add basil to this. Just a little bit of basil on top of it all. And that's it. Now that your meat's been cooking on both sides for 6 minutes, you want to go check it to see if it's white enough inside. So what you want to do is cut a piece in the fattest part of your meat to check inside. Sometimes it might be a little hard to cut it, so you can use a steak knife or something else, but you don't always have to. Now you see, you can see this, the meat inside is still a little pink inside. That's fine if you want it to be that way, but it doesn't have to be. But I'm going to cook it for a little longer because I know that I like it just a little bit more cooked than that. So now we're going to add our meat back on there. So let's stick it right on there. Throw it in that pan. And you want to cook it for another 2 minutes on each side. Now that your meat is finally fully cooked, you want to make sure again by finding another fat piece of meat, and you want to cut into it to see how it looks. Okay, as you can see, it is not as pink as it was before, which is still a little bit pink in some places, but it's not pink, so that's good. Now, as a chef, you always got to do one thing. That one thing is, hold on, wait, let me cut a piece. You got to try your food, always. Always try your food. You want to make sure it tastes good for the other person that you're serving to, or for family members or whoever, even for yourself. So, bottoms up, cheers to good health, and whatever else. Amazing. That's amazing food. I love it. I just love it. It's so good. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make lamb chops this time for you because it is amazing. It's quick, simple. It's not very hard to make lamb chops and people love it and it tastes amazing. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe below. Click the little red subscribe button below with the little bell next to it so you can get the notification every time I upload a video, which is daily at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so watch it accordingly to that time zone. Also, hit that thumbs up button. Smash it, squash it, high five it, do whatever you have to. Just hit that thumbs up button because you're awesome, I'm awesome, and the more you do that, the more food I'm going to create. And the more you comment below, as I'm asking you to do, please comment below what you would like me to make, and I will make it for you guys. Period and simple. It's very easy. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias so that it can be passed around with people because I make yummy food and the most amazing food that you'll ever have. So please do that. Also, remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkovitz. And also, thank you for being part of J Squad. And also, remember, I did a t-shirt website. So please, go to the link below and go to the website and order my shirt for $15 American and $18.36 Canadian. So please do that. And also remember, the most important thing is be happy.